friends, good evening. Today I want to discuss important questions from Teaching Aptitude which came recently in 2020. Two questions came on the same topic, that is indirect instruction. Okay, we will read the question. Statement 1 is saying indirect instruction is an approach to teaching and learning in which the process is inquiry, the content involves concept, and the context is a problem. Second statement is saying in NRT means norm referenced testing. Test data tells about a student level of proficiency in mastery some skills or set of skills. Okay, what is the right answer for this question? Okay, you think sometime, you can pause the video and think the answer. Okay, I will show you the answer. Yes, statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is false. Why? I will discuss what is indirect instruction now. Okay, I gather some information about indirect instruction. Okay, one old word is saying tell me and I forget, show me and I remember, involve me and I understand. Okay, someone said something, we will forget, right? We will easily forget in some days. If someone shows something, we can remember more days by watching. Okay, suppose if we involve in the experiment, we'll remember more days, right? Okay, the teaching of concepts, inquiry and problem solving. Okay, what indirect teaching involves the teaching of concepts. Here it is clearly given, teaching of concepts, inquiry and problem solving are different forms of indirect instruction. This same statement given in the question, right? The first statement we can see indirect instruction is an approach to teaching and learning in which the process is inquiry. Inquiry means the learner has to inquire about the desired what he want to learn. Okay, the content involves the concept, only concept, the content is contained the concept. Okay, and the context is a problem. It is a problem solving approach. Okay, I think the first statement is clear. Second statement is saying in norm referenced test. Okay, I will show you, I will tell what is norm referenced and what is criterion referenced testing. Norm referenced test evaluation, it is evaluation. Okay, non-referenced based evaluation means it is comparing of, suppose example is NTA NET exam. In non-referenced evaluation, they compare the score of the all over India. They will compare the percentage, one person percentage with other. Okay, here in criterion referenced, what suppose in our school exams, suppose the exam is conducted for 100 marks. If the person gets 70 marks in that subject, they will say that he got 70%. That is criterion. In criterion reference test, we are testing, we are evaluating one proficiency. Suppose if it is a English language, if he get 80 marks, we can say that he is good in that language, right? But in norm referenced, we are not actually we are not testing the proficiency in mastery of some skills. Okay, we are comparing overall how he is performing comparing to other students. Only that we can see in norm referenced, but we are not uh, we are not explaining the proficiency in or in mastery of some skills or set of skills. This is wrong statement. If CRT is there in the NRT place, then these statements would have right. But in norm-referenced, we are not testing the proficiency in mastery of some skills. Okay, we are comparing one students with other student performance. Okay, that's why statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is false. Okay. One more question also came based on this indirect instruction. Okay, I will show you the question later. We will discuss the concept. Okay, yes, this is the question. This question is asking, identify the teaching strategies which are employed during indirect instruction. See, same concept, two questions came, that is indirect instruction. Okay, identify the teaching strategies. What are the teaching strategies in the indirect instruction? He is asking. He has given 5 options. First one is emphasizing direct and indirect exemplars. Second, presenting the stimulus material. C, inquiry based question answer session. D, presenting, asking and providing feedback. E, promoting problem solving approach. Okay, try once this question, then I will show you the answer. Okay, first I will explain what are the teaching strategies employed during indirect instruction. Okay, I will collect the answer. Okay, see, the following are instructional strategies of the indirect model. First one is conceptual moment. Okay, in that we are getting inductive and deductive approach. Second one is use of examples and non-examples. Third one is use of questions to guide search and discovery. Fourth one is use of student ideas. Fifth one is student self-evaluation. Sixth one is use of group discussion. Seventh one is content organization. Okay, you can easily get the idea by watching these points. One has to develop the concept in indirect model of teaching. Okay, and one teacher has to encourage the student to build his concept. Okay, second approach is use of examples and non-examples. He has to use the example related to that concept. He has to explain non-examples also, because then only we can compare what is right, what is wrong, right? Next, third point is use of questions. Student has to encourage ask questions. Okay, because if we question, we will get answers, right? If we question only, we came to know the what is right answer. Maybe first time we will get different type of answers. Later we can relate with that concept. We came to the proper conclusion. That's why questioning approach is also is there in indirect teaching strategy. Okay, we can fourth option is use of student ideas. We can take the ideas of students also. Why? Because students also get more ideas. Maybe they will get good ideas about the concept. Next, fifth point is self evaluation. Yes, self evaluation is also most important. For example, we wrote already NT exam. Okay, we have to evaluate ourselves, because where we did mistake, why we did some questions wrong. Suppose sometimes we will do even me also, very easy questions I did wrong in the exam. I have to evaluate myself. Why I did that question wrong? What is the problem? Is um, is there any tension, or I did not read the question properly? Why I neglect that? We have to evaluate in the education also. A student has to self evaluate. Okay. Use of group discussion. Sixth point is group discussion also helps us a lot, because different people have different knowledge. They can share the knowledge. By combining all the points, we can came to conclusion. Okay, this is the right, this is wrong. We can came to conclusion. Okay. In so many software companies also, they will conduct group discussion. Why? In group discussion, how he is involving, how he is sharing, they will test that. Okay. Next, finally, a teacher has to encourage the students to content generation. They have to generate the content, because instead of copying and pasting based on that concept, they have to generate the content. Okay, these are the different types of teaching strategies involved in the indirect instruction. Okay, now we will go to the question, then I think we can able to solve. Here I gave explanation about every for every approach in the indirect instruction. If you want, you can read. Okay, I will show you the question now. I think you can answer this question. Identify the teaching strategies which are employed during indirect instruction. First one, emphasizing direct and indirect exemplars. Yes, I told that examples and non-examples means direct, what are related to that concept and what are not related to that concept. They look like related to that concept, but they are not related. We can explore two ideas, then finally we came to the right conclusion, right? Good and bad, positive, negative, like that. So first one, A is right. Okay, easily we can eliminate second and third options. In the exam, we have to apply the elimination method also, because time is very less in the exam. We have to eliminate some options. Yes, A is not there here, A is not there. If we know the confidently A should be the answer, we can eliminate 2 and 3. Now we know A is confident. Okay, next we will see presenting the stimulus material. In indirect teaching, we already saw some points in that. Anywhere is mentioned is teacher is presenting stimulus material. No, not presenting stimulus material. We already saw in the first question, we are just giving concepts. Okay, concepts, problem solving approach. Okay, but presenting stimulus material is not there. Okay, this is not there. Okay, from B option only we can eliminate, from A and B only we can eliminate 1, 2, 3 options. Okay, but we will see next also. Inquiry based question answer session, we already saw question answer is very important to came to the right conclusion, right? Okay, C should be there in the answer. Okay, A and C are there here. Yes, next D, presenting, asking and providing feedback. But in indirect, we are not presenting anything, just we are giving the concept only. We are not presenting anything. The teacher is not asking, teacher is not giving any feedback. Okay, teacher is just giving the concept only. Teacher is not presenting, not asking, not providing feedback. The feedback concept also not there in indirect instruction. Okay, D also not correct. Correct option E. Next we will go to the next option, promoting problem solving approach. Yes, in indirect instruction we saw problem solving, it is the problem solving approach. So we can conclude that option 4 is the right answer. Okay. In exam I did wrong this question because I did not read D option correctly. I did not observe feedback. Actually I know this concept, but I did not observe feedback. I just eliminated B option, and I selected 3 as the correct answer, but 4 is the correct answer. There is no feedback and there is no presenting, asking in indirect instruction. Okay, I will show you the answer now. Yes, fourth, A, C, E is the correct answer. C, only based on direct, during indirect instruction only, directly 2 questions came, because this is important. Okay, I hope this video is very helpful. If you like the session, please subscribe and share this to your friends. Thank you.